Well, there's Liberty's appearance for the day. Up on the table, doing what Liberty does best: sleep. Eat, sleep, eat, sleep, and run around with their friends outside at night, right? All right, guys. Hey, before I forget, I want to let you guys know that our live show is going to be the 16th, which is Wednesday, 9 a.m. Philippine time, and that's the 16th, the Philippine time, which is actually for us, it's tomorrow. So those that were asking when we do the live show, that's when it will be. Like I said, 9 a.m. the 16th, Philippine 9 a.m. and the 16th of the Philippines. Anyways, guys, we are on our way to get what, Lut?
Chicken ass.
We are on our way to get what?
Chicken ass.
You heard it, guys. We're on our way to get some chicken ass, and we're gonna try some chicken ass tonight. Oh, hang on. I did notice on the way here that the sisig, well, she's not there now, but the sisig girl is there. They are selling sisig. So she did not leave. Oh, there she is. I'll have to get over, interview her sometime. So yes, guys, the CC girl is still here, and she did not go anywhere. So we are on our way to get some chicken ass, and we're gonna try chicken ass tonight. All right, guys, we have arrived, and Lut is picking out the perfect chicken ass for us to have tonight. Yeah, that is it. You got to get 2 of them. You got to pick out the perfect chicken ass. They got to cook it, right, Lut? Yeah, they got to barbecue it. Look at, she's plucking the hair out of it. What is it? Yeah, buy some intestines too. Chicken butt and chicken intestine. That's what we're having. That's what we're gonna eat. Well, you gotta ask Auntie to cook it. So here we are, guys. It's going on the grill. It's gonna be delicious. Look, did you pick some good ones?
I don't know how to pick it.
This is gonna MacArthur. It is about 5:30, 6 o'clock, somewhere around there. Very busy, as you can see. Everybody's going home. Everybody's busy. Everybody's doing something. Very busy. Got a stalled car on the road. These MCTEG, I don't know what that is, but they're like traffic control. There comes the tall boy. All right, guys, we are gonna head back to the Sari store, and we are gonna try. We're gonna try this chicken butt for the first time. Yeah, it is hot. How much is it, Lut?
I don't know.
What's she putting on it?
The oil.
Putting oil on it. That looks like some good chicken butt, don't it, Lut?
I don't have idea.
Very busy spot here. I always say you can always tell the food's good if you got a lot of Filipinos eating here. They put quite a bit of stuff on there since we showed up. People are pulling up on their motorbikes, on their cars, ordering stuff. So yeah, it's the hot spot. You know, they do cook it. I mean, it's been on that grill for probably 10 minutes, so it is cooked and barbecued very, very well. So you know, these people have been doing this for a long time, and I'm sure this girl knows exactly what she's doing. And it's cooked thoroughly, you know, through and through. It's barbecued. So, you know, I'm not fearful that it's not undercooked. So, I mean, people, I'm afraid to eat street food. Well, it's your choice. You can eat it or you don't have to eat it. You know, you take the chance. But like I said, it's been on that grill for a good 10 minutes now. So it is being thoroughly cooked. All right, guys, the butt has been cooked. The chicken intestine has been cooked. Cost us 90 pesos for 2 barbecue sticks of the chicken butt, chicken ass, and 1 stick of the chicken intestine. So now it's time to go home, back to the shop, and give it a taste. All right, guys, here we are. We are back. Sorry store, and we are going to try the chicken butt. What, you got a plate?
Oh.
Put it in a bag. Now we got to get it out of the bag. And Anna Grace is going to try. We'll just open the bag. Here it is, guys.
That's good, huh?
Hang on.
Oh, that's intestine.
They put barbecue sauce on it.
Yes.
Yeah, they put barbecue sauce on it.
Intestine.
So here is
That's
the
bad.
chicken butt. They put like a barbecue sauce on it and stuff, stuck it in the bag.
I like that.
Here is the chicken intestine. It's got barbecue sauce on it too, so. All right,
Chicken food.
we are gonna try the chicken butt. Everybody get a piece of chicken butt.
Ew.
You don't know that. Let me try it.
Smells good. I don't know where you bite. I guess you bite in the tip here. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's give this chicken butt a shot. Let's scoot over so we can see your face. Here we go, guys. That's good. That's really good. You like it? Huh? Scoot over, look.
Yeah.
Do you like it, Anna Grace? Anna Grace likes it. I like it. What do you think? No? You want to scoot over, Lynn?
There's nothing in here.
It just tastes like chicken meat. Yeah, it just tastes like chicken meat. I like it.
I like it. Tingnan mo yung aking matikman.
It's fatty. And it's got chicken meat in it. Doesn't smell like butt. That's good.
Yummy.
It's just chicken meat and chicken fat. I think it's good. Nice.
Pwede na pagkaan natin ngayon?
No. You have a fish.
All right.
Hindi daw natin naubos yun. Baka bigay na lang daw kay ate.
Chicken intestine now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a bite. I've had chicken intestine, but it was crisp, like it was like
Crispy,
deep fried,
yeah.
crispy and deep fried. Where this is just barbecue. That's the chicken intestine. Look at it taste. There's really no taste.
I taste that already.
There's really no taste. I mean, it tastes.
It's chicken intestine.
Yeah, I guess. Tastes like intestine.
You wanna try?
You want to try?
Ako pa, me first.
Oh, well,
It's my favorite.
hang on. You like it?
I like it.
Mm-hmm. It tastes good.
Alam ko yan eh.
You've tasted that before?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, it's good.
Busan ko to?
I taste the barbecue flavor. It's good barbecue flavor. Gonna eat me another chicken butt.
I like the sauce.
Yeah. They have good sauce. Well, Zhiyun Liberty's up here now. She smells the chicken. Well, I know we probably look like pigs eating with our fingers and stuff, but it's street food. You eat it with your fingers, so. Anyways, my verdict on chicken butt, chicken ass, whatever you want to call it, is good. It's masarap.
Yeah.
I will definitely eat more of it. I will definitely eat more chicken ass. And of course the intestine tastes good also. What's your verdict on the chicken butt? Good?
Good.
Good? Yep, she's having another one. Yeah.
Super,
And
super good.
the sauce is tasty.
Yeah, the sauce is very tasty. What's your verdict on the chicken butt?
Chicken
ass.
bad? Chicken bad is just okay for us.
Will you be eating any more chicken ass in the future?
No.
No? There it is, guys. There's the verdict. And tomorrow's another day. Don't forget, tomorrow the 16th, 9 o'clock Philippine time, we're doing our live show. So anyways, guys,
See you tomorrow.
see you guys tomorrow.